Each person is unique. And of course, that goes for smokers as well. So we need different types of nicotine replacement to be able to help everyone in the best possible way.
When we started this company 20 years ago, I wanted to bring more consumer-friendly products to the market, but also products that had an increased efficacy. In order to increase your chance to give up smoking, you need to find a product that works for you.
If you smoke a cigarette, you'll get a fast absorption of nicotine into the blood. And we should not forget that you inhale the cigarette, so with each breath, you'll get a peak of nicotine in the brain. And that gives you the very fast and strong effect from the cigarette. We cannot replicate that with nicotine replacement therapy, but that's actually a good thing, partly because the lungs are very sensitive, and partly because the point is to add nicotine in a more safe and controlled and pure form, which makes it easier to step down and stop completely. If the most important thing is to get a fast craving relief, then the mouth spray may be a good alternative because it delivers all nicotine at once, which gives it a fast effect. The nicotine gum does also have a fairly fast effect, similar to what you'd get from a nicotine lozenge. The difference is mainly the mode of use. If you want to keep your mouth busy while chewing, or if you prefer the lozenge, which may be a bit more discreet. Another discreet alternative is the nicotine pouch, which gives you approximately the same nicotine absorption as a nicotine gum, but you have the option to move it around to get more nicotine release and increase the absorption. If we look at the nicotine patch, you'll get the absorption across the skin. That does not give you a fast craving relief, but can be good if you want a long-lasting nicotine delivery and a completely passive mode of use.
When you are using nicotine replacement, underdosing is very common. Most do not take the recommended dose, and also they don't take it for long enough. It will not work, these aids, if they are not used in the way they are recommended to be.
And then when you feel that you're at a stable level, it's time to start cutting down. And it's probably good to set individual targets and remember to celebrate each success along the way.
People have preferences, so it is with nicotine replacement as it is with, if you look at people drinking coffee, some with black coffee, some with sugars, others with milk, latte, etc. The same here.
We understand that needs are individual. Therefore, we want to continue developing new products that can help more people quit smoking.